LML, LML, LML,
LML.
LML.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So here's the deal, guys. We're out here in Summerwind Crossing, Lakes of Cane Bay Plantation, and there's this term we use for this neighborhood, and I can never remember what the term is. So Mark gave me. First, I thought you said MLM. I'm like multi-level market. Like, are we saying an Amway house here or something? LML. Low maintenance living. That's what this neighborhood is. Great neighborhood. We've sold a bunch of houses in here, and unfortunately for one of the people that we sold a house to here, they have to move.
They got another job opportunity.
They do. They have to move.
They love it here.
They do. And we love their house. We built this thing from the ground up. We were involved from the very beginning.
I remember going in there and talking about the fireplace.
Oh yeah,
and
the ceramic
and all
tile,
that.
and
Yeah.
it's got an upstairs. How many square feet?
27 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, but it's gorgeous. Like
They put a lot of stuff in it. Great back porch with the fireplace and
like
all
an
that
L
stuff.
porch or
It's one of our favorite models here. I'm excited to show it to you, but I want to tell you a little bit about what we got here. So first thing is quick competition here.
Okay.
This is the
one throw or two throw?
No, let's do at least two because I feel like the first one's going to be off. So cornhole championship here. Look at this one. That is not gonna. That didn't even touch the board.
Mine either. No, oh, at least I hit the board.
Okay. All right, that one's got potential.
Oh.
Okay,
last one.
In, baby. Done deal. So listen, we've got pickleball here. We've got dog parks here. We've got this event lawn here with the cornhole. A great pool. There's inside, beautiful chairs set up in the resort area. You could go to all of Cane Bay by golf cart from this neighborhood. The Publix, the YMCA.
Chick-fil-A, Mexican restaurant, Italian restaurant.
Yeah.
You got there's even a bank up there. There's a dentist. You can get your hair did, your nails did, your dog's nails did. And
really? Dogs too?
Yeah, dogs too, and get them all groomed. And there's a veterinarian and my doctor's office.
This neighborhood, we've been in here probably 3 times last week. All 3 times we've seen people out walking dogs in this neighborhood. They've got a great dog park here. One of the cool things about this neighborhood also is there's only a certain number of neighborhoods in Cane Bay Plantation that have access to the lake system, and this is one of them.
Yeah.
So if you want to do your kayak and canoeing, this is a good neighborhood to be in. And it's the whole lock it and leave it lifestyle. They cut the grass here, refresh the pine straw, do all that stuff. So you don't even have to, listen, July, August, a little hot here in Charleston.
You can watch somebody else from your air-conditioned room.
Somebody else with a nice big Long Island iced tea, sitting there drinking and watching the guys cut your grass.
I can't drink those. Can you drink those?
No, I don't know why I came up with having Arnold Palmer sitting there watching them mow the grass. Let's go check this house out. It's gorgeous. We'll see you at the end. be the most Livin, Carolina scene ever in any of our videos. Can you imagine sitting on this back porch, watching Mark on the big screen here, above the fireplace? I'm going to show you the last thing in it. When they built this house, they put everything in it.
Yeah, they spared no expense.
We spared no expense.
Just like Jurassic Park.
You just were dying to get your Jurassic Park theme.
I probably watched that 150 times.
Oh, what's the ones? The ones that they're real scary. They're fast.
It's a velociraptor.
Velociraptors.
That's the ones that terrify me. Yeah.
Yeah.
We should probably get back to talking about this house.
Yeah. So this is
Gorgeous
the Livin
house.
Carolina lifestyle right here.
It is.
You've got your patio,
Yep.
furniture with the fireplace, and then who has a patio big enough?
Yeah.
To put a hot tub in.
Yeah, I mean, you've got 3 different areas. You've got like a living area here, a table over here, the hot tub. Really great location. This is the adventure model.
Yeah.
One of their most popular ones here, and I think you can see why. It's a great house.
Great house, great location, lots to do in the community. 4th of July, fun times. Is it hot?
It's hot. It's a hot
4th
tub.
of July fun times, lots of shopping we already talked about.
Yeah.
If you want to know more, down in the description, click the link, book a Zoom call with us. We'd love to chat about it and tell you all about it.
Spared no expense.